was planning on leaving for Key West at like midnight tonight. You can see how shitty the weather is right now. There was just a tornado that touched down in Martinsburg, West Virginia, which is like 15 miles north of here. I'm still gonna pack the bike and get it prepared like I'm leaving in like 6.5 hours. I don't know if you guys can see it there on my display, but it is exactly midnight. It just became Friday morning, and I just topped off the fuel tank here at the West Virginia state line, just a couple miles from my house, to start to make this trip to Key West, Florida. Getting caught in a little bit of rain. Hasn't been anything major. It's been really light, fortunately. I haven't even had to put rain gear or anything on. We're a little over 200 miles on that first tank of fuel. Just stopped about 11 miles short of the Virginia-North Carolina border. Fill up the tank. I think I'm gonna run this next one through before I stop again. So far, so good. Just made it into North Carolina. Those of you who have been down I-95 may be able to see off in the distance Pedro's giant sombrero. Almost to Georgia. Just gonna hop off here, fill up the fuel tank, and we'll be in Georgia in about 5-10 minutes. Pretty weather, 84 and sun right now. Not gonna complain about that one bit. Just stopped for a quick stretch here at the I-95 Florida Welcome Center. Grab something quick to drink. Got about 9 hours of riding left to do. 742 miles down, about 500 left. I'm actually feeling pretty good. Or maybe I'm just going insane. I don't really know, but it's fun. Check the weather. There is a chance of going through some of these harder rains. I don't even think I'm going to put the rain suit on. This has been going on for about the last 10 minutes. I have no idea what's going on, but hopefully it clears up. It's not really raining that much anymore, so I'd really like to kind of dry off, but I'm not going to dry off at 15 miles an hour. Still got about 4.5 hours left to get to Key West. Rain finally cleared up. I don't think I'm gonna hit any more, at least today, tonight, whatever you want to call it. Still have, at this point, it's just a few minutes after 4 o'clock, and 205 miles left to go.
Baby,